Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Hitch, the USB transfer device that I bought for use in the Inch computer programming class. Its main purpose will be to have my class aides copy, yep, that's me, hi, have my class aides copy the students' homeworks from their flash drives to my own. So let me show you a few things about the device and then I'll give you a quick demo. The power switch is on top here. You can barely see it. You hold it down for about 2 or 3 seconds and the screen should turn on. When the screen turns on, you let go of the power switch. It has USB ports on the left and right sides, and these are a little bit tight, so I'm gonna have you use a cable to plug stuff into, just so we don't wear out these ports. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I'll explain these green indicators in just a few minutes here. It takes a little while for it to boot up. It's running the Linux operating system, for those of you who wish to know that. Okay. And the first thing it says is connect a USB device. Now, what I'm going to do during class is I'm going to already connect my own USB device on the there side, and when I do that, Hitch will hopefully recognize it, and the there icon will turn green. Now you'll notice there's also a here icon. So the here corresponds to the USB port on the left, and there corresponds to the USB port on the right. Whichever one is lit, that's the one whose directory structure you are viewing on the screen. Can you see that? And you can use the scroll wheel to select folders or files on that device. So for example, we can go inside the Day 2 folder. We hit the select button to go inside it. And we have a homeworks folder and a videos folder. When students bring their homeworks, I'm going to have you copy their homeworks into this homeworks folder on my flash drive. So to select that folder as the one that we're going to copy files to, we'll select homeworks, we'll highlight it, and we will hold the select button down until we see a menu. And we scroll down to save to this folder. Hit select. Okay. Now we can use the here there button, which is this less than greater than button, to every time we push this we go back up one directory in the directory structure, and we're going to insert a student's flash drive. As I said, I'm going to have you use a cable so we don't wear out this port. Okay. And now you saw the green arrow turned on. The green arrow means that it detected there's another device connected to the Hitch, and now we can transfer files. Now we don't want to transfer files from there to here, not in this direction. Want to transfer files in this direction, homework, right? Supposedly the student will have a folder with their name on it on their flash drive, and we're going to navigate to that folder and copy the file, the homework folder, into our homework folder. So to switch, so we can see the files on the left flash drive, the student's flash drive, we hit the here there button until we see the here icon illuminated. And now we see the files on the student's flash drive. Now this particular one is actually used for our ClearPlay player, so it really contains a bunch of files that don't make any sense for this class. But let's say that we're going to transfer index.htm. Now we can also select an entire folder, like this resources folder or something, which most likely is what the students are going to have. Anyway, so we're going to select the file that we want to transfer, index.htm. We don't actually hit select, we just highlight it. And we hit send. It says copy complete. We hit select to exit that result window. If we want to see it on the other side, now normally we wouldn't want to see it on the other side because we trust that it got there, and all that we would do is we would press the select, we would hold down the select button until we get the menu, and now we select remove here. So now we can unplug the student's flash drive. And once we do that, Hitch will then show us once more the directory structure on the right device. And let's just make sure that we got the file. So we're going to navigate inside day 2, select, inside homeworks, and sure enough there is index.htm. Now macusers.htm was from a previous example that I used. Once we're completely done, I guess you just hand this back to me. But if you do want to turn this off, we first need to remove the flash drive on the right. So we hold down the select button and select remove there. It's kind of hard to do. And then we hold down, with no devices connected, we hold down the power button until we see a message that says to let go of the power button. And that's it.